The Lagos state government has directed traders at Ikeja's computer village to move to a new market at Katangowa in Agbado, Oke-Odo within 18 months. This was announced by Bolahan Oki, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development, during a stakeholders meeting with market leaders and traders. The time has come, and the 18-month window must be taken seriously. He explained that the Katangowa site spans 15 hectares and has been fully equipped with facilities to support commerce. Although the relocation plan dates back to 2006, it has been delayed due to slow development at the new site. Oki further noted that Computer Village, located in Ikeja, was originally a residential area that evolved into a commercial hub without formal government approval. He said Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's administration was engaging traders in line with its inclusive governance style. Katangowa has been carefully designed as the permanent location for the market, strategically close to suppliers and essential business infrastructure. The project coordinator, Olayinka Bello, added that the new site would feature modern amenities, including a police post, hotels, and easy access to the bus rapid transit terminal for improved transportation. Chief Abisola Aziz, Ikeja of Computer Village, recalled that an agreement to relocate was first reached in 2006 under then-Governor Bola Tinubu, now President of Nigeria. She urged traders to support the government's plan. The big question remains, should Computer Village really move from Ikeja? What do you think about this relocation? When you think of Lagos, one of the busiest commercial hubs that comes to mind is Computer Village in Ikeja. This sprawling market is not just a place to buy phones, laptops, or accessories. It is the Silicon Valley of Nigeria's informal economy, a marketplace where technology meets survival, innovation, and hustle. But after decades of unregulated growth, the Lagos state government has set a relocation plan in motion. Traders have been given 18 months to move to Katangowa, a 15-hectare site in Agbado, Oke-Odo. The move has sparked intense debate. Will this improve Lagos's urban planning and modernize the market, or will it disrupt livelihoods and destroy the cultural energy that makes Computer Village so unique? The history of Computer Village. Computer Village was never meant to be a market. Its origins date back to the 1990s, when Ikeja, then a largely residential and administrative zone, began experiencing growth in informal trading. Small shops and roadside sellers started dealing in electronic devices, especially second-hand, popularly known as London-used computers and accessories. Over time, the market expanded to include mobile phones, spare parts, and repair services. By the early 2000s, Computer Village had become the largest ICT accessories market in West Africa. Buyers traveled from across Nigeria and even neighboring countries like Ghana, Benin, and Cameroon to source gadgets. Despite being informal and unplanned, Computer Village became a symbol of Nigerian entrepreneurship, a place where small-time hustlers became successful businessmen and tech-savvy youths honed repair skills that would rival trained engineers. Computer Village is a multi-billion naira economy on its own. A 2018 report by the Computer and Allied Products Dealers Association of Nigeria estimated that the market generated over 1.5 trillion, around $4 billion annually in sales. Thousands of SMEs thrive within its ecosystem, from phone dealers and laptop refurbishers to software developers and repair technicians. The market also provides direct jobs for more than 50,000 people and indirect employment for hundreds of thousands in logistics, food vending, courier services, and security. In simple terms, Computer Village is not just a market, it is an economic lifeline for Lagos and Nigeria's ICT sector. Why move to Katangowa? So, why would the government want to relocate such a vital commercial hub? The reasons are both urban planning and development focused. 1. Congestion in Ikeja. Computer Village is located in what was originally a residential neighborhood. The influx of thousands of buyers and traders has overwhelmed the area, causing massive traffic congestion and overstretching infrastructure. 2. Urban planning. The market grew organically without government approval or planning. For Lagos, which is positioning itself as a 21st century megacity, having an unregulated tech hub in the heart of Ikeja is unsustainable. 3. Modern facilities at Katangowa. The 15-hectare Katangowa site has been designed with proper infrastructure, from police posts and hotels to easy access via the bus rapid transit (BRT) system. 4. Government revenue and regulation. By moving to a purpose-built market, the government hopes to formalize trade, increase tax revenue, and reduce the spread of counterfeit products that have sometimes dented Computer Village's reputation. 5. Safety concerns. Fire hazards, theft, and poor sanitation have plagued the Ikeja market. Katangowa promises safer and more organized facilities. Benefits of the relocation. If properly managed, the relocation could bring significant advantages. 1. Improved infrastructure. Traders will have access to well-structured shops, warehouses, parking spaces, and better utilities, something lacking in the chaotic Ikeja setup. 2. Ease of movement. With BRT connectivity and better road access, Katangowa may ease the infamous Ikeja traffic jams caused by market activity. 3. Job creation. Construction, security, logistics, and retail businesses around Katangowa will experience new growth, potentially creating thousands of jobs. #4. Boost for Lagos's image. A modern ICT market at Katangowa aligns with Lagos's vision of becoming a smart city and West Africa's tech hub. Formalization of trade relocation could reduce the circulation of counterfeit products, bring better regulation, and increase government tax revenue. Setbacks and concerns. The move is not without significant drawbacks. 1. Disruption of existing ecosystem. Computer Village is more than a market. It's a community where traders, artisans, and small businesses have thrived for decades. Relocating them could break this social and business network. 2. Accessibility issues. Ikeja is centrally located, close to the airport and major transport routes. Katangowa, though larger, is further away and may be less convenient for international buyers. 3. Cost of relocation. Many traders fear they won't be able to afford new shop allocations in Katangowa, especially if the government imposes high costs. 4. Risk of resistance. Past relocation efforts in Lagos, e.g. Mile 12 Market and Oke-Odo transport hubs, have faced protests. Without proper engagement, Computer Village traders could resist or even split into multiple informal markets. 5. Potential loss of customers. The established brand identity of Ikeja Computer Village may not immediately transfer to Katangowa. It may take years for customers to fully adapt. Impact on Lagosians. For ordinary Lagosians, the relocation has mixed implications. Shoppers may benefit from more organized, safer shopping at Katangowa, but they may also face longer travel times. Residents of Ikeja will likely enjoy reduced congestion, less noise, and more order in their neighborhood. Traders face uncertainty. While some welcome the move as an opportunity to expand, others fear displacement and financial strain. The Lagos economy stands to gain from better regulation and increased revenue, provided the move is managed transparently. Computer Village represents the spirit of Lagos: resilience, hustle, and innovation. From a small informal hub, it grew into a billion-dollar tech market, shaping Nigeria's ICT landscape and empowering thousands of families. But as Lagos evolves into a modern megacity, unregulated markets in residential zones cannot remain the norm. The relocation to Katangowa is both a necessary step for urban planning and a potential disruptor of livelihoods. The success of this move will depend on how inclusively the Lagos state government manages it. Traders must be carried along, costs kept affordable, and facilities genuinely built to global standards. If done right, the new Katangowa ICT hub could become a landmark of African digital commerce, combining order with innovation. But if mismanaged, it risks erasing decades of entrepreneurial history and scattering a community that has powered Nigeria's tech dreams. So, should Computer Village really leave Ikeja? The answer lies in finding a balance. one that respects the past while planning boldly for the future.